We're with Jared from Heat Press Nation.
How's it going, everybody?
Heat Press Nation, they're here with us. We're giving them a full tour of our new 500 and 1000 printers.
And so when you guys announced the SG500, I was absolutely stoked. So I'm here. This is my first time seeing the SG500 in the
Shed some
flesh.
light on the star of this show. You can see there's a few differences in the front here. It's backlit, so when you're looking at information and this printer is sending you information from the menu, much easier to read, much easier to toggle through. It's Wi-Fi equipped, so you can print from just about anywhere. The 500 comes with a 2-year warranty. If you want to take a look under the hood, we have a single roller bar now instead of a double roller bar. Before, we know the double roller bar can sometimes cause you to have some paper jams. A few other parts that were formerly plastic are now aluminum coated. That way, fewer things to have to clean. We have a fine print feature with this printer, which means that those pictures that have just a little bit more detail to them, you can now see that detail much more clearly and better output with your overall picture quality. So why don't we head over and look at the 1000?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, please, can we?
Come on over.
May we? May I?
Okay, so this is our SG1000.
Okay.
Again, I know.
It's glowing.
This is just like the 500 that you just saw. It's got the Wi-Fi, 2-year warranty, it's single roller bar, interface on the front. When it comes to upgrading for people, what would they want to do? Here is my advice. Weigh out what you think is most important to you. Is the Wi-Fi important? Is the single roller ball important? Is a 2-year warranty important?
Yes.
You think about that, that'll give you your answer. We want to give users more variety of things to choose from, which is why we're coming out with these and why we're coming out with a bunch of other new things as well.
Ooh.
That we haven't talked too much about, but you know, I'll talk to you about it.
I'm ready. I'm ready to learn. Okay. You guys.
But we have our new CreativeStudio coming out pretty soon with 3D previews of mugs, upload your own fonts, change your fonts, arc your fonts in real time, direct connection to social media, plus direct connection to 2 other features we haven't even told you about yet. If you guys have any questions, be sure to ask them on this video. We'll get back to you with those answers. Thank you for joining us.
Pleasure.
We'll see you later, guys.